Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw CHIBI Spider-Man, and he's actually going to be hanging, but I'm going to draw him right side up first. So let's start by drawing his head, which is just an oval shape. Okay, so then let's draw his eye, his left eye. The nose will be right here, and we're just going to draw a big curve and then curve it at the end. So then we'll continue the bottom part of the eye by going down to touch the initial line, and it'll continue on to the tip like that. So let's draw the inner eye. We'll be close to this outline first to begin with, but then it's gonna flare out towards the corners, and same thing over here, and meet. So we'll just darken the outline now. Alright, so let's draw the other eye, and the head is rotated this way, so you're not gonna see much of the eye over here, but let's go from here, the center where his nose is, and just draw a curved line, again meets the edge of the head, and we can start drawing the inner side, the inner eye with a curved line as well. And let's just go ahead and darken this right now. And this line then will go down straight to the edge. And let's darken that. Let's draw his back, and we're just going to draw a curved line this way. And then right here will be his leg, which again will be foreshortened. So the way we're going to draw this is just starting right here. We're going to draw a line that goes to the knee, and then back under that line. Okay, so this part right here will be the upper part of the leg, the thigh. So then under here then will be the foot. So we're just going to draw an oval to indicate that. Partial oval that's hidden underneath. So then right here behind this leg will be his arm. So from here, we'll just start heading that way. First his forearm, and then we're going to curve it out just a little bit for his upper arm. And then right here, let's draw the upper arm, the other side. Okay, and then go out a little bit for the forearm. And then just come out, and we're just going to draw basically a square here, but soft-sided, and it'll show his fist and go back. So this will be the hand that's going to be holding his web rope. So let's just draw a line, a few lines going this way for the web, and then some crossing lines, and you can let it kind of overlap in some areas, and that basically shows the webbing. And then coming off it, just draw a squiggly line, and then some crossing lines there as well to show the end of the web. So on the other side of the arm then will be the other leg, and it's going to be coming out a little bit further than this. So go out to the knee, and then start heading back. Then go back, and then it's going to form his foot here, and it's going to be tilted this way. Again, just an oval like that. So now we can draw the chest. So coming behind the arm, it's going to extend behind the arm towards the head. Next, we'll draw the other arm, go across to show the bicep, the upper arm, and the lower part of the upper arm, and then angle it a little bit forward So here's the elbow. We're gonna go forward, and now we can draw the hand. Go out and form the thumb, and then another finger. Draw a line going across, and then the pinky finger, and just connect to the wrist. So here will be a couple of other fingers, and we'll just draw a couple ovals like that. So now let's look at the direction of the forearm. It's this way. So from there, from the wrist area, we'll draw some lines, straight lines, maybe flaring just a little bit. And this is the web that he's shooting out. And we can go ahead and add crossing lines. Couple directions. And that just indicates the web that he's shooting out. So next, let's draw the details of his costume. So first, he's got this glove. Let's go ahead and draw the curved line right there. And then for the other arm, we've got the glove going part of the way, and then the edge of the webbing goes over to meet that line. So the webbing at the top of his back then kind of comes in to the arm, and then down this way to the belt, and just curve the line this way, and continue this part of the leg line back, and that'll form the belt. So then what I'm gonna do is to better separate these lines, I'm gonna make the lines for the arm and the leg thicker, like right here. And this part of the leg, just so it doesn't get lost from the detail of the costume. And I'm going to go ahead and thicken the back here as well, down to the leg. And I'm just going to switch over to my thicker marker. And I'm also going to thicken the outline of his head now. So finally, let's draw the webbing on his head and his costume. So let's start with the head. So these lines are going to indicate the form of the head. So from here, let's draw a star-shaped line here first, where the webbing comes off. So first we're going to draw a center line that goes out, and then from here we're going to draw another one that kind of flares away, and another one here, and here, and these are always going to follow the curve of the head. So here we're going to draw another line that goes this way, okay, and maybe another one here. So then the lines that are right here under the nose, out this way first, and another one this way. Okay, so let's draw the lines here on the arm. It's gonna come down from the head first, and then it's gonna start following the direction of the arm down to the hand, and these are just parallel lines. Continue this line to the hand, and it's going to flare out a little bit there. Same here. So let's draw a line going down the center first, and then just like before, we're going to follow the direction of the arm, and here again parallel, following the direction of the back here, and here it's going to kind of flare out a bit. So then here we've got the vertical lines of the belt, and here it's gonna flare out somewhat for the foot, and here. See how it's angled away? So now we can draw the connecting parts. Let's start with the hand. So these are just concentric curved lines that follow the finger here. And then right here we're gonna draw a curved line to connect the two lines, and then just space them fairly regularly and getting closer to the wrist. And then right next to it we'll draw the matching web, and we're going to change the direction a little bit here too, because remember this is a curved line here. You want the webbing to kind of follow that curved line as well. So here's our curve, and we're going to follow that with our web, and we're going to change the direction here for the hand. This time it's going to be an upright, up pointing curve. Same here and here. Alright, let's continue on up the shoulder and actually change the direction of the webbing. And here, it's not that important actually. Once you get into finer details like this, it kind of gets lost anyway. Alright, so here, let's start with this part here. Let's just draw a curved line, and these are gonna sort of parallel the direction of the outline, the outer outline of the head. Okay, so now let's look at this. So we're gonna continue on to this side, but here's the outline. So now we're gonna change the direction. And then here's the outline. Let's go this way, and then like this. Alright, so here's the outline, here's the direction. So now we're gonna change the direction of the web as well. And finish it off. And here, draw a couple web lines, and finally I'm just gonna draw a couple shadow lines here, and we're done. So this was Chibi Spider-Man, and now we can go ahead and rotate it so it looks like he's hanging and shooting some web. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you got something out of this, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.